Hey everyone, Bill and Carrie with KB Tricks.
Hello.
Good evening. Where are we at, hon, and what are we doing?
We are in Shakopee, Minnesota. We're at Valleyfair amusement park, but we are not riding roller coasters tonight.
Shoot.
We are going to do the drive-through Christmas in Color event.
All right, we got quite the crowd. It seems like it's a popular night. And how does this work, hon?
You buy a ticket online and they give you a time you pick your time and go from there.
And they email you or?
Yeah, they email you your ticket.
It's
digital.
QR code or whatever, right?
Yes.
You just checked in and they scanned our ticket. They told us to turn to 87.9, which is going to be the radio station that the lights are going to dance to. Are we all set?
We're all set.
Okay. Kind of a popular night here, as you can see. There's quite the row of cars in front of us.
Yeah, when we did this last year, there was like no line.
We made it through. They had 3 lines of cars to get in, and we all merged down. Seemed pretty civil and everything on that. Their first look as we go in. As we came in, what were the rules that they told you?
You need to turn your headlights off and maintain a 5-mile-per-hour speed. They ask that you do not stop during the time.
Okay, that was weird. The music stopped and all the lights turned off. Yeah, that's weird. That wasn't just a. This isn't just a pregnant pause. This is.
There we go. Someone unplug the lights.
We got candy and treats like gingerbread man over here. We go through like the candy cane type forest, it looks like. I guess you could say this is our second lit tunnel to go through. The first one was at the entrance. Oh, and now we got snowmen up here. Let's see them singing to the music.
That one guy on the end there's having a bad day.
Oh, making our first turn here, and you can see the all the rows of lights. Looks very festive and lit, very beautiful. Another lit tunnel. Guess you could say this is our third one now. Like the Santa and elves on the sides here. I don't know if they're quite video walls, but they're cute with polar bears dancing. Oh, you can see those lights dancing over here in the next row. We're going to be down that road in a second. I like the way how this group of lights go with the music. There we go. Disco, disco.
So I like how they dance around.
Do you want to go out and play? Come on, Anna.
Anna.
Yeah, I got another lit tunnel with some singing light bulbs. I want to build a snowman.
Not in this weather.
You don't want to build a snowman?
Not in this weather. It's freaking freezing out.
Where's your sense of adventure?
I don't have one.
Oh, check out the dancing tree here.
These walls are cool.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Lights turn way down low. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Now we get to go through those dancing vertical lights. Oh, look at that. I got like a waveform going.
Yeah.
This area here might be my favorite part so far, at least. Those are teddy bears. Okay. that they're gingerbread men at first. Those are teddy bears, I think. I really like these vertical lights. I want to do this in my yard.
What yard?
Yeah, exactly. What yard? Semantics, honey. Semantics. I really like these light tunnels. These are so fun.
They are fun. The penguin is singing. He looks a little demonic with those red eyes, but he is singing. Now I got singing Christmas trees.
Oh, there we go. Some more, another video of some dancing polar bears. He made Santa Claus from Baby Shark.
This is fun.
Merry, merry holiday, do 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 do. The Santa can. There's those teddy bears that I pointed out. There's the other side of them. They're pretty cute. Oh, this looks like the last tunnel though. Just driving out of the lot at
Christmas in color.
And what do we think, hon?
It's cold outside, but thankfully we were in the vehicle for the most part with our windows down. No, it was a lot of fun. Some technical difficulties, but they actually told us about it when we first checked in, and they told us that we can actually come back anytime with our ticket to view it again, which that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I guess what do we think? Because we were here last year.
Yes.
And I think this is the third year or something like that.
Oh, I have no idea.
But what did you think, at least comparing last year to this year?
It's still, I think it's still really neat. I mean, if that was neat last year, that's neat this year. The colors are fun, you know, the music, the dancing, everything. I think it's really neat. I
think it actually improved from last year. I think they added a couple things and everything, but I really liked it. I thought it was nice, and I like the music because like they don't play like a full song. They play like a verse of something.
They play little snippets, but you know, it's kind of fun to watch everything dancing along.
And they got like little bumpers of like from audio clips from different Christmas-related music, movies and whatever. So I think it was really fun. But will we do it again?
Oh, sure. This is always a fun one.
What are the details on this?
It is, you know, like with taxes and fees, they charge per vehicle, not per person. Okay. So it's like $44, I think, per vehicle. Okay. They do have another one where you can get like glow sticks and 3D glasses and stuff. That's a little more. We did learn this year there are coupon codes galore for this event. Okay. So we were actually able to get a little bit of a discount, so that helped too. Awesome. So, yeah. But we want to thank you for joining us. I'm Bill. I'm Carrie. You watch KB Productions. Please do us a favor, like, share, subscribe so we know you're out there. And until next time, good luck and have fun. See ya.